Hi friends, today we'll discuss about China. You might have come across a news regarding China, the exodus of Chinese manufacturing. China is no longer world's factory. So why it is so? What has happened there that China is no longer world factory? So let us discuss in detail. So what are the reasons? First of all, we should understand how China become world factory. So we can say in simple thing 3L MST. What is this 3L MST? 3L: law, labor, logistics. MST: market, subsidy, digital transformation. China realized this potential. They provided regularization, easy law to attract FDI from other countries and set up factory in China, and they can easily produce there. Law supported this. There was cheap labor that supported this manufacturing, and China has built world class logistics, rail network, road network, and this shipping also. So logistics also supported. Moreover, there is big population in China, so big market is also available apart from world. Chinese government provided subsidy for export that also supported for Chinese company. China realized this digital transformation potential, so they invested on that and get benefit of that. So this was the reasons of rise of China in brief. So what has happened now? Why there is so much of exodus? So let us see one by one. First of all, we should see this Donald Trump and this Xi Jinping trade war. Donald Trump started trade war against China. He put more than $60 billion equivalent is increased tariff, whereas China was able to put only for 53. So this impacted China badly. Chinese goods were no longer so cheap. It became more and more costlier. So Americans started to use less and less. So it dented manufacturing and export to America. Second thing is Corona, and even we can say prolonged Corona. As you all know, Corona started from China and spread all over. This spread of Corona dented factory output. So many factories, more and more factories shut down. Even now, they are not able to function to their optimum level. China is not free from Corona even now. So their manufacturing progress has dented badly. Another thing is that world realized this dependency. So now more and more country focusing on to diversify their import basket from China to other country. Actually, Chinese image has badly dented world over. So more and more country now believing on China now. So they started to think how to diversify. So they started to see China plus one. So more and more factory are shifting to other countries, South Asian countries, India. One thing more they realized is security and intelligence. Actually, China is using this trade, manufacturing, and their supply chain, especially this telecommunication, to gather intelligence from other country. So more and more country is getting concerned about this security challenge also. As earlier we have discussed L3 MST, so more and more company has realized this potential and making efforts to do more and more for this so that they can be a manufacturing hub also. Let us see, for example, being India. India has introduced so many PLA scheme for so many sectors, and this PLI is attracting more and more company to shift their base to India from China. Likewise, Vietnam has also started doing more policy. So many companies getting benefit of this policy and shifting their base to Vietnam. Japan is also pushing policy to shift Japanese company base outside of China. Actually, more than 57 companies shifted their base from China to Japan. Out of 87 total shifted from there. So some company went to other countries. So this is the effect of other countries, their policies, which is impacting China manufacturing sector. Thank you.